how to find the value of x here, right? Now I will show you doing this is with very basic method, basic way, but sometime maybe you can eliminate, you can don't need to write some step here, right? Now we know, let me start with the basic thing. What we know here, minus index we can convert to plus index when you change the position. That means if it is numerator, if you bring to denominator, it will be changed to plus, right? So here denominator nothing, no, that means 1, we can think 1, but I will not change here, right? Because I have here plan, and now I can get here this to down, then it will be x here, then I will put x to this side. Normally we know when we find unknown letter, we need to put one side to that letter, right? The numbers to other side, that kind of thing, right? I feel then I know I can simplify here also x. That's the reason. So in the next step I will do that thing. What the 8 here, I will bring this x minus x to the power minus 1 to denominator, then it will be x to the power plus 1, right? Okay, I will put here, you don't need to put plus 1 here. Okay, then you can apply cross multiplication here. One cross multiplication, right? 1 into 8 8, right? Here will be what the x to the power 1 when you multiply with this, right? I can write like this way, no, x to the power 1 into x to the power negative, minus 1 over 4, right? Like this way. This was come to my mind actually, that's why I not bring this to denominator. This negative index I don't try to make to positive, right? Now I can simplify here, right? We can add, no, now here when you have multiplication and same base, here base is x, then we need to add just these two index together. Now here I will explain to you little bit with the long way, because some are confused here. 1 plus minus half, minus, sorry, quarter, right? 1 plus minus 1 over 4. 1 plus, I will write that story here. What do you need to do? 1 plus minus 1 over 4. You can write this is inside the bracket, and then plus into minus, minus, like that. Or someone can think, when you write two signs together, we put minus, multiplication here, and make to one sign. This two sign we make to one sign with multiplication. Here 1, here plus into minus, here 1, then plus into here two signs together, no, that's why we put multiplication. Then think plus into minus, what the thing, when you multiply, we know different sign always minus, plus into minus, minus. So here will be minus, that means this two sign we make as one sign, 1 minus 1 over 4. Okay, now we need to simplify this thing, right? Here in the denominator 1, no, 1 mean again you can put denominator as 1. Now we need to make same denominator here, so I need to multiply 4 here, here multiply 4. This is like fraction, we need to add here, subtract here. Now 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 1 mean 3. Okay, now we got the answer for when you add these two, what will happen? This index plus this index, what will happen here? 4 over 3. So I can write x to the power 3 over 4, 3 over 4, sorry, here 3 over 4, then equal to 8. And here there's a something new to you, maybe we do this is little bit rarely, but now we know x to the power 2, if you need to remove, we put what the square root, or like if you have x to the power 3, to remove 3 we put what the cube root, or you can tell even cube root like this way, no, 1 over 3, like that. This thing opposite we put here, index is 3, no, to make this index 1 we can make opposite of this, right? 3 opposite, reciprocal of this, what the 1 over 3, actually reciprocal, we need to multiply this one with the reciprocal, then we can make 1, no, here for example 5, if we need to remove this, we can put like this, 1 over 5, like that's the idea, no, 1 over 5, like that. Here we have 3 over 4. To remove this, I need to put both side 4 over 3. 4 over 3, then this side also you must put 4 over 3. That's the idea here. My target is to remove this one, 3 over 4 index, then if I multiply with 4 over 3, it will be gone. This you can cut. So, but you can't put only for one side this type of index, you must put other side also. If you put to left side, you must put to right side of the equation. Both side of the equal sign, right here. Now when you multiply 3 over 4 with 4 over 3, it. I don't need to show you it, right? 4 over 3 multiply with 3 over 4. What the 3 cut, 4 to 4 cut, that means 1. So basically here will be just x, right? This to this cut, this to this cut, 1. Okay, now here we need to further simplify that, right? We can. Now 8 mean you can write what, the 2 to the power 3, right? And here 4 over 3, right? 8 mean 2 into 2 into 2, no? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, right? So now again this index multiply with this index, right? That mean 3 into 4 over 3. So 3 to 3 cut, here 1, no? Here will be just 4. So I can write here x equal 2 to the power, like this way, cut 2 to the power 4. Okay, now 2 to the power 4 mean what the answer? Again you can think like this, say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So here will be 16. Our final answer for x, it is 16.